आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम हेलो हाय अस्सलाम वालेकुम viewers. This is House of Fashion signing in once again in front of you. Welcome back to the channel, viewers. Hope you all are fine. May Allah Almighty bless you always with the prosperity, health and wealth. Ameen sum Ameen. Viewers, onto your screen, you are watching a very wonderful and the beautiful princess from the Wales, princess from the British, Princess Catherine. And in this video, you will find wonderful ideas of her hat. So, watch the video till end for these stunning ideas of her hats and write us that which idea you like the best and the most from this photo string video. And if you like the video, then don't forget to press the thumbs up button. And if you like one of the idea and if you like the video, then don't forget to press the thumbs up button. And if you doesn't like the video, then also don't forget to press the thumbs down button, so that we know how many viewers from all over the world like our videos and how many viewers from all over the world doesn't like our videos. And if you have suggestions about our videos or anything, any advice to for the betterment of our videos quality and the quantity, then give us your feedback and write us into the comment section. Inshallah, we will try to improve our quality and quantity as soon as possible onto your demands. Now let's move on to watch a wonderful styles of Princess Catherine hats with the different kinds of dresses. So you have onto your screen a wonderful ideas, beautiful ideas, and the stunning one in front of you, beautiful styles. And this one is beautiful one in the powder pink color, again a tea pink, very nice style and the beautiful color. Again very nice one in front of you, very beautiful, very stylish, very amazing style. Again very beautiful one in front of you. This is amazing in the black hat, color hat, and this is very wonderful, very beautiful styles, very amazing one, and beautiful one again, very nice style, stunning one, an amazing stunning one. Viewers, here you have to write us that from which city and a country you are watching us, so that we can give you a lot of love and a thanks from the bottom of our heart for watching us, for supporting our videos. And now viewers, don't forget to subscribe my channel, follow the channel by clicking and pressing the bell icon. Also share my channel with your friends and family and the social media which is used by yourself, and write us that which royal you want to meet onto our channel, and share my channel with your friends and family and the social media which is used by yourself. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. We'll be right back with the new interesting ideas. Till then, bye bye, take care. Hope you liked the video, hope you enjoyed the video. Remind us into your prayers. Bye bye, take care. क्या हो गया?